Hey guys, what's up? It's Tanakdouble here, and welcome to another one-up box unboxing video. I don't know how to say this, but this is late, and before I get into this one-up box, and if you guys are wondering why this video is so late, is because of Winter Storm Inga. They got delayed for like 3 days, I believe. But then sometime later, they actually lost the box, and I thought they were like faking it at first. So I did not know. So, one up box, I'm sorry if I caused any disrespectfulness. I'll try to be more patient next time. So, yep. Okay, so also guys, we are starting the second season of the one-up box unboxing videos. I'm going to be uploading 2 unboxing videos for this month, but the other 10 are going to be in March to December. So, I'm really excited for that, and I hope we get some really cool stuff. So yeah, so this is the one-up box for January 2018. So yeah, 2018 has been a really good year so far, and it's been better than last year, though. That's what I gotta say, really. Alright. So, the theme for this month is Showdown, and the shirt seriously came like this. Okay, so first we got the t-shirt. So, I'll just take a look at it first to see what you guys think. Okay, now this is unique. See, look. I don't know if you can see it, but, so yeah, Kirby, and then we got, like, 2 Anime fighters. It's a pretty cool t-shirt. That's what I gotta say, really. Yeah, so I'll wear this. Alright, so next up we have... Oh, it's a kawaii plush. Look. So this is one of those kawaii plushes. This is Nightwing. So yeah, this is Nightwing. And if you guys don't know who Nightwing is, he's technically from Teen Titans Go and Teen Titans. And so yeah, he's like the alter ego of Boy Wonder, like when he's all grown up. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Next up, we have a... let's see. Alright, we got a Mo Peace plush, and he's from... Wait. Sorry. Oh, he's from The Walking Dead. Okay, now I have no idea why what this guy's name is, but he's a character from The Walking Dead, and he's some sort of sheriff. But we're gonna get to that later. Next up, we have a Alright, this is an air freshener. So yeah, this is some sort of air freshener. I don't know if it's strawberry or not. So yeah, it's got like a samurai or whatever, like a samurai air freshener. Alright, next up we have a... Oh my god, look. A Super Smash Bros. Sticker. Yeah. Super Smash Bros. Is one of my all-time favorite games. And yeah, so like you can get like a lot of stuff here. So you have Wario and Donkey Kong and Mario and all those characters like you love so far. That's really unique. See, like we're gonna get some unique stuff in this box, so I meant to say that earlier, but so yeah, so I played Super Smash Bros. A lot when I was younger, and it's just been really great. Anyways, guys, if you guys are wondering why my room's a little bright right now, it's because like the glare on my glasses, like It's blue. So, and that's why I got that. I got a light, like a big light. Usually I use that for my videos, but so yeah, so I have that up there. So next up we have the pin, 1UP box, January 2017. So if you guys want to know, the theme for this month is Showdown. I don't know if I told you that earlier, but I think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay. And finally, we got the info. Alright, so Showdown, of course. Alright, so let's see here. 1/8 DC Kawaii Cubes. Keep stacking them up with this super fun official Kawaii Cube plush. It is a collectible, stackable, and fun-sized plush. So now you can get 8 of these. You can get the Riddler, Supergirl, Superman, Green Lantern, Flash, Batman, Batmite, and Poison Ivy. I mean, not Batman, Nightwing. Sorry. So yeah, that's unique. Next we got the Samurai Air Refreshener. He's a samurai lost in time. A well-trained samurai air freshener will protect you from all evil. So yeah, I'll have to like put this like, I guess look. Look. I'm weird, I know, but okay. I'm weird, I know. Alright, next we got the Smash Circle sticker. Choose your destiny with this Smash sticker. You don't have to choose what character to pick anymore. So yeah, like, like, pick any character on this. Wow. Like, pick any character. Alright, and next up we got the, one of Mope's Walking Dead from the hit Zombie Apocalypse TV series. Come to these sad but adorable plush of your favorite characters. Collect them all. Okay, so you can get 6 of these. I got this guy, which I have no idea what his name is, but I'm gonna look. Okay, I don't know what the name is. The pin. And last but not least, we got the Showdown exclusive t-shirt. A competition to see who is the best. Let the showdown begin. Well, that's why I read the info, though. Alright, so I'm going to get one last look at it before you guys do. So it's really cool, right? Like the t-shirt, it's technically like Anime and Kirby. So yeah, that's cool. And square colored also, so that's good. Okay. Alright, guys, so yeah, so that's gotta do it for the 1UP box for January 2018. For February, of course, because it came in late. I'll probably get this video uploaded sometime before the 21st. But I just hope this September 21st box doesn't come in late. So I just hope. Anyways, I think my next 1UP box is probably going to come, if it comes on the 21st, then it might come on like the, Wednesday. I'm going to say that like it's going to come on a Wednesday. So yeah. I just want to announce it. I just want to make a few announcements for you guys. The first thing is that I may do like a draw my life video sometime throughout my YouTube life. I'll probably do that like when I'm probably like in my late teens or whatever. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. And the second thing is that if you guys are gonna watch the Super Bowl today, I'm really excited for it. It's gonna be tomorrow at 5:30 Central Time. So yeah, so I'm really excited because I really want the Patriots to win. And the third thing is that if you guys haven't noticed, I think that like my next one-up box is probably gonna come on February 21st, but I'm not sure yet. But I don't know. I'll have to see that because I just really want my one-up box to come in this month, like my February one-up box, because I don't want it to be like late every single month. So yeah, that happened to one of my favorite YouTubers like twice, because like, well, they were late showcases. And the last thing is that I just want to say thanks for being patient. For some of you guys who haven't been patient with me ever since December, yeah, it's been 2 months ever since I got my last one-up box. So it's okay. It's okay, people. You don't have to get upset. But thank God I got this one-up box. Like, I thought I meant for it to come like later today, because if it did, then that would have been the right time. So, yeah. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I gotta say, really. So yeah, I'll see you guys later on this month, not next month, but later on this month, either on the probably on the 21st. And yeah, and I'll see you guys around. Take care.